So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about how to communicate with the other servers. Okay, so I am having two servers. This is worker 1, okay, and this is worker 2. So let me clear the screen of worker 2. Okay, and you can see worker 2 here and worker 1 is here. So why I have taken two servers? Okay, in corporate world we are having many servers. Okay, and how you will log into once, like from one server to another server, how you will log in? There's a command called SSH. Okay, what's the command? SSH, secure shell. Okay, but how it will get connected? So what's the IP address of this server? 192.168.5.21 and IPR. IP of this server is 192.168.5.22. So how I will do SSH IP address? Okay, once I hit the enter, it will prompt for a password. Okay, so which password I have to take? Worker 2. So I have login to worker 2 from worker 1 window. Okay, so I jump from worker 1 to worker 2, and if you see W, it is showing from 21 there is a session for 192.168.5.1. there are two sessions taken. Okay, so that's the thing how you can connect to the server. If you want to come out of this, you can do Control D to exit and log out. Then you came back to worker 1. Okay, there are other options, SSH hyphen v verbose and then the IP. Okay, I have not copied the IP. Let me copy the IP. Let's copy. Okay, it will show how it is connecting. Password I have entered. Okay, it got login. So what are the information we are getting? Okay, open SSH. It was searching for a public key. Key was not there because we are using key-based authentication, and showing in key host 192.168 is known and matched to ECD as a host key. Okay, then it was looking trying for private key, it was not there. Next authentication method, password, so it's prompt for the password. Enter success. Then new session is created, and that's the system information we are having. Today is November 12th. As per this system, morning 10:02:05 UTC load, and these things it's showing. Okay, it is showing everything about the worker 2. Let me log out again. I have become the worker 1. If I want more information, so I can do max v 4 times v. Okay, root. So now we are getting much more information. See, after a password, this much thing is has earlier this many thing is not coming after a password, and before the password also we are getting too much data. So why I am showing you this thing? Okay, let me clear my screen and become a exit from the server, become a worker 1. When I am as a user coming to you saying my SSH is on worker 2 is not happening, how you will identify what's the issue? You will ask some logs, okay, while trying doing SSH, what type of error you are getting. But he will say, I'm sending a password, but it's not accepting. Okay, so in that case, you require some, like, what are the logs generating there? So you can use SSH hyphen VVVV with the IP and ask customer to share with you. So they will share this detail with you, and you will, after reading the logs, you will come to know, okay, which type of error customer is facing. So to log into a server, there is a command SSH, secure shell. Okay, once you hit the enter key, it will prompt a password for destination server like 22, which is IP of worker 2. Okay, so the username and password for worker 2 it is asking. Got it? We are able to log in, and You can log in back to worker 1 using 192.168.0.21. Oh, sorry, it's 5.21. Okay, yes, it will won't correct because there are some authentication method. Now, customer is saying it's showing me permission deny. Okay, then you will say run this command, share the output with me. We have executed. Okay, now after reading these commands, okay, this logs, it has started from this. Okay, so it's going debugging this thing, recording method, cipher, many things are there, but it's showing trying private key is not working, and it's saying no more authentication method to try because the system is just allowing key based authentication, not the password bits. Okay, so that's how you'll come to know, okay, where we have to go and fix the issue. I'm knowing this thing where to find and fix this issue. I will show you in an upcoming video. This is the video I'm creating for SSH. Okay, whenever you log into any server, you require SSH. Okay, and from one server to other server you can do SSH and the server IP. That server should be reachable. First you have to do ping, then only SSH will enable for that thing. Okay, and if you want more verbose thing, you can use -v, like how much information you require, you can put that many v. Max capping is 4, maximum 4 sh-v. You can do sh-1234. That's it. You can use 3 2 1 0, but not more than 4. To prompt for a password, if you are entering the right password it will allow, otherwise it will share prompt for again password not working. Once you enter the correct password, boom, you is move to worker 2. So that's all for today's video. This is the sh command. If you want to know more about sh, use man. If you are having any question, any query, put in a comment box. I will answer those things. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.